Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix your C drive that is almost full. So let's get started. In the first step, go to this search box and type size:gigantic and wait for the results to get displayed. It will display files that are larger than 4 GB. So if you want, you can select and delete all of them to free up unnecessary space that has been acquired by all these files. In the next step, search for System Restore and open Create a Restore Point. From here, click on Configure. Now set this slider to 3% and save the change. This will also free up a lot of space. In the next step, go to your Windows settings. Then go to Apps, Installed Apps. From here, select Sort as per large to small and uninstall any app or games that are not required and taking up a lot of space on your PC. In the next step, search for Run to open up the Run dialog box. Here, type this location and click on OK. Now once here, select and delete all the files you see here. In the last step, search for Disk Cleanup and open it. From here, select all the boxes you see and click on OK and then delete files. Once done, search for Disk Cleanup again and open it. This time click on Clean Up System Files. Then checkmark all the boxes you see here. Click on OK and then delete files. Now wait for the process to finish. That's it. Once done, you can check the space of your C drive and you'll see that the red issue is gone. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.